Heap Analytics versus Looker Studio. Two analytics powerhouses. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Heap Analytics, automatic user behavior analytics. And on the right, Looker Studio, Google's powerful BI platform. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top in 2025. The result just might surprise you. Okay, before we jump in, here's a quick mind map of what we're going to cover. So, we're stacking up these two across pricing, data tracking, visualization, ease of use, integrations, and who they're actually made for. Sounds good? Let's get into it. All right, so first up is pricing. Heap Analytics offers a free plan, which, let's be real, is pretty nice to see. It also packs in a comprehensive feature set. But, and here's the kicker, the paid plans, oof, they are not cheap. We're talking $3,600 a year or more. And the way it's usage-based means things can snowball if you're scaling fast. Now, Looker Studio, on the other hand, it's free as long as you've got a Google account, which is super accessible for most folks. Plus, it meshes beautifully with Google's ecosystem. The catch? If you want the real pro features, you've got to step into Google Cloud territory, and their enterprise pricing kicks in. Bottom line, for most people starting out, Looker Studio is the winner here. It's just a way smaller hit on your wallet. Next, let's talk data tracking, and this is where Heap really flexes. You get automatic event capture, which means, like, you install Heap and boom, every click, swipe, tap, it's logged. No manual tagging, super convenient. And if you missed something, retroactive analytics lets you go back and check it out, which is honestly kind of magical. Now, Heap's limited to web and mobile, so if you're in the IoT or desktop apps game, it's not perfect. Some edge cases slip by. Now with Looker, it's a bit more traditional. Super flexible, can connect to pretty much any data source you can imagine, lots of SQL querying, which is powerful, but you do gotta roll up your sleeves and manually set up what you want tracked. So Looker doesn't do automatic event tracking, and if that's what you need, it falls short. For this category, Heap takes the win, hands down. Let's keep rolling and chat visualization. Heap gives you user journey mapping, which is honestly so good for product teams. Session replays, event visualizer, all solid stuff. But here's where I hesitate. The charting and dashboarding options are just kind of basic. If you've got smaller data sets, sometimes things get a little funky, you know? Now, let's talk Looker Studio. And this is its sweet spot. Dashboards, custom reports, rich data visualizations, you can go wild here. The downside? It's got a bit of a learning curve. And if your data gets really chunky, it can lag. Still, for serious data visualization, Looker Studio easily snags this category. Hey, quick fact. I bet you didn't know this. Heap captures every user interaction automatically. Seriously. All of it. Meanwhile, with Looker Studio, you've got to tell it exactly what to watch out for. That's a pretty major difference, right? All right, time for ease of use. Heap is straight up plug and play. You don't need to be a developer, setup is quick, and the interface just makes sense, especially if you're not the most technical person in the room. Some of the more advanced stuff can get a bit overwhelming, and there isn't a ton of customization, so watch out for that. On the other side, Looker Studio, it's powerful, it's flexible, which is great, but honestly, the interface can be intimidating. There's a learning curve for sure, especially if you're new. So if you want something that's just easy and works, Heap is the winner here. Now, integrations. Heap does a nice job syncing with tools like Slack, Segment, Google Analytics, all the usual suspects. It's good, but if you're wanting super deep connections like the big enterprise BI platforms, it is a little limited. But then, Looker Studio? Oh man, you get seamless Google ecosystem integration, plus connections to pretty much any mainstream database, and support for way more SQL dialects. Only caveat? It can get a tad complex setting up sources outside Google. Still, the sheer breadth wins it for Looker Studio in this category. And for target audience, this one's fun. Heap is just awesome for product teams and folks who want quick insights into user behavior, especially if they don't have a technical background. If you need really deep business intelligence, yeah, Heap might not cut it. For Looker Studio, it's enterprise-grade BI, perfect for organizations that live and breathe data and need complex reporting. But honestly, it can be overkill if you just want to track basic user activity. So for this category, it's a tie. Both serve their crowd perfectly. Just depends on what you're looking for. All right, so if we mapped out the scores for each category, pricing, tracking, visualization, ease of use, integrations, and audience, you'd see Looker Studio pulling ahead for pricing, visualization, and integrations, while Heap shines for tracking and ease of use. Target audience is a split. Pretty cool, huh? Here's my honest take. If your focus is effortless user tracking and product analytics, Heap is kind of unbeatable. Install it and you're practically done. But if you're running heavy BI operations, crunching data from all directions, and need dazzling dashboards, Looker Studio is your guy. So yeah, choose Heap for quick, actionable user insights, but go with Looker if your data ambitions are more enterprise level. All right, so you ready to get serious about analytics? Pick the tool that matches your style and your business goals. Go experiment, see what clicks for you, and let your data journey really take off.